Good evening, folks. Sorry for the delay on this one. Looks like it may have gotten lost in the shuffle. We're live just as it went from 9:13 to 9:14, as you can see there. And we got a 6-winner mini for Dennis's Stormtrooper. Carded Stormtrooper, 12 back. That's neat. Top 5 win spots in the main, as does last place, which finishes in pretty good shape there as well. So we have 6 winners. Then I am going to paste in here 30 entries, which is good. Going to roll the dice. Got a 5 or better. Excuse me, I had a little brain fart there. Top, we got an 8. So we're good to battle. Just going to keep it simple. Get through this. Here we go. Good luck, battlers. JR in the top spot for our first round. Troy, 2. Sam in the top spot for round 3 with number 22. Abdul, round 4. Craig takes round 5 and 6. Sam in the top spot for our next to last round, round 7, bringing us to the final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And our winners are JR Anthony, JR, Sam in at number 5. And in last place, the suspense is killing me, Troy Pitts. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification. PGTGZV. Bit of a tongue twister of a verification code. There's our results. And if you scroll all the way down, there's the rest of them. I'm done at 9:15. There we go. Here we go. One last time. Here's our winners. Troy all the way down there at the bottom. And our top 5. Congratulations, guys. See you next time. Thanks.